Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of a Citroen DS3. It's a 2012 model. I had a customer who required me to change the language to English. And as you can see, it's a foreign language. I'm going to show you how you can do that for yourself. Before we start our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, as you know of me, I'm going to show it twice, so you don't have to rewind the video or look back the video. You can look this video till the end and I'll show you how to do it twice. Okay, first of all, as you can see, there is a foreign language and I'm going to show you how you can turn that back to English. And I had to search for myself, and the trick is you have to do it from the radio, from here. So I'm going to zoom in to have a look at that, and then there is a menu button over here. Press that. Once you press that, the menu over here changes. Once you are here, you have to go to the configuration. By this button you can change going to the left or to the right. Use the system settings button, press the middle OK button to enter, and this is for the language change, I think. The last one, press that, and as you can see there is a list of languages and we prefer English. One down, press OK, and as you can see the menu language has changed to English. This made me happy because I know it succeeded for me, and I hope this worked for you as well. And hope to see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye bye.